Terrifying truth about affiliate marketing. Even though affiliate marketing is a multi-billion-dollar industry, many people get into this business model in hope to make money and get rich quick without knowing its complete truth and fail, blaming affiliate marketing to be a scam. So guys, in this video, I'll expose 5 facts and truths that will surprise you all. If you're curious about the truth behind affiliate marketing and what it takes to be successful with it, keep watching till the end, as I will be having a little surprise for you. Hey everyone, this is Joyce here. For those who are new to my channel, to my video, I'm Joyce Meettoo, ex-mechanical engineer to full-time online entrepreneur. And in this channel, I create videos that help people make money online, as well as build, grow, and scale an online business, especially through affiliate marketing. And if content like these interests you, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And let's get started with fact number 1. The affiliate marketing industry. It is a multi-billion-dollar industry, and according to a report by Statistica, the affiliate marketing industry was worth $12.8 billion in the US in 2020, and it is projected to reach $18 billion by the end of 2023. Even though these figures vary from country to country, it's an always growing industry. The industry's growth is driven by the increasing popularity of online shopping, the rise of e-commerce, and growing use of mobile phones for online browsing and purchasing. As more and more consumers turn to the internet to find and buy products, affiliate marketing has become an increasingly attractive and effective way for businesses to reach new customers and drive sales. But who is affiliate marketing for? To answer this, let's move to fact number 2. Anyone, regardless of age, gender, and experience, can do it. Yes, anyone can do it, but is it for everybody? Before I answer this question, let me tell you that you don't require any degree in marketing to start an online business with affiliate marketing. And I'm actually a living proof of what I just said. I graduated as a mechanical engineer, meaning I knew nothing related to the online world of affiliate marketing. I started from scratch. I made money with affiliate marketing, got the taste of freedom, and traveled to amazing places around the world. But there is a catch in this phrase that said, anybody can do it. You see, there are many marketers, in order to sell you something, will use the phrase, anybody could do this. But what they don't tell you is many affiliates fail and quit in the first few months. And about 90% of the affiliates who didn't quit make less than $1,000 in a whole year. Yes, less than $1,000. And only a few percentage of affiliates are really being successful by making 5 figures to even 6 figures a month in affiliate marketing. But why is that so? Given the fact that it's a multi-billion-dollar industry, why are they failing? And guys, the answer lies in fact number 3 and number 4. So fact number 3 is not all products are equal. In affiliate marketing, there are 2 types of products. Number 1 being the physical products, and number 2 being digital products. These 2 types are further divided into categories: low ticket, mid ticket, and high ticket. If someone asked me out of physical and digital products, which one is better, then without hesitation, I would say digital products. The reasons being, physical products cost money to manufacture, and you need to keep manufacturing them, while digital products require less overhead cost, and once created, you don't need to create it again. And since digital products have low overhead cost, as affiliates, you get high percentage affiliate commissions ranging from 50% to 75%. While with physical products, you get low affiliate commissions. And here are examples of percentage affiliate commissions you get while promoting physical products from Amazon. Now, even if you choose to promote digital products, don't just promote any low ticket product. Because if you promote a low ticket product of, let's say, $10, where the affiliate commission is 40%, you will be making $4 for every sale. But if you're promoting a $1,000 product with the same number of affiliate commissions of 40%, you will be making $400 for every sale. So making $1,000 with affiliate marketing gets easier with high ticket products compared to low ticket products. Also, what you need to know is some products simply don't convert well. So it's important to do your research and choose products that are in high demand and have a good reputation. Additionally, Some niches are more profitable than others, so you should choose a niche that you are passionate about and has a potential to earn you good money. And guys, before I move to fact number 4, if you have been getting value so far, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and write me a comment down below telling me about what fact or facts you didn't know about. So fact number 4. It takes work to make money with affiliate marketing. Before you get too excited, it's important to know that affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. In fact, it takes skills and a lot of hard work and dedication to be successful. By skills, I mean money-generating skills such as lead generation, copywriting, sales and marketing, and so on. Also, you need to know how to create quality content to build a strong following and to continuously test and optimize your promotions. You see, affiliate marketing will involve both money and time. Some affiliates who require faster results, they will invest in themselves, learn the required skills, and choose paid options, paid methods, such as invest money in ads like Facebook ads, Google ads, etc. These ads are what help them scale faster and make more money, while others, even though they will invest and learn skills, they will choose free methods to make money, meaning not investing in ads. An example is starting a YouTube channel and creating and publishing YouTube videos, or growing a huge and engaging followers on social media such as Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. This means they have to consistently create contents, and the free methods require your time to gain more traction in your affiliate marketing business. Either way, free method or paid method, you will have to do the work and learn the required skill set. Fact number 5, consistency is key and patience is virtue. You see, with affiliate marketing, you will have to stay consistent. The more consistent you are with your marketing efforts, the more likely you are to see results. This means creating regular content, posting on social media regularly, and promoting your products consistently over time. And it's important to remember that affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time to build up a following and to start seeing results. You may not see much progress at first, but as long as you keep working on it, the results will come. And that's why I said patience is virtue. Now, you see, many people just get attracted to the idea of making money online without understanding these facts and truth. But it's not that affiliate marketing is difficult or affiliate marketing is a scam. It's because they are not aware of how to create their content, how to position themselves as someone legit in front of their prospects, their audience. They also fail to understand what product to promote and what to stay away from. By the way, guys, if you're interested in getting the education that changed my online journey in affiliate marketing and helped me and thousands of other people make money online, then do check the first link in the description of this video. It's a $7 product. It's a challenge that will arm you with all you need to know about products you need to promote, how to appear as someone legit in front of your audience or people, as well as attract people towards you and buy from you, making you get consistent affiliate commissions. It will help you save money as well as help you skip months or even years of self-learning and research. This challenge helped me change my life and business completely. I was able to travel the world, see amazing places, eat delicious food, and more importantly, spend good time with my family and loved ones. So if you want to succeed as an affiliate, make sure to check out this link below. And guys, don't forget to give this video a like. And if you want me to bring forward more educative content and show you guys ways how to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel. This is Joyce Meettoo signing out. Take care. See you on my next video. Bye-bye.